Hi guys, welcome to Family Create. Hope you're all doing well. So today we decided to do a video on the Huawei Watch 4 Pro watch faces, and one of my favorite is their planetary theme watch faces. So it's quite amazing. As you can see, while we rotate the crown, you can see the day and the night phase. You can see the hours moving and the night falling up on us as the crown goes round and round, and you can see that basically with all the planets. And the other amazing thing is that as you can see the coordinate there, I actually decided to put that coordinate on the Google map and see where it shows us, and I was actually quite shocked to see that it actually completely pinpointed exactly where we are. So here we are in the car park, and it actually shows exactly what location we are. It's actually quite shocking that it can pinpoint us to that precise location. That's the coordinate on the watch, and I've just put that in. And have a look on the watch again, the exact same coordinate, and it's actually pinpointed us exactly where we are.
What more you get to see here is you've got a moon phase, which you probably can't see, but that's actually really good because you've got the moon phase there, and that's a real moon phase. You've got date on that side, and then you've got sunset and moonset times over there. But when you, and then you've got a nice time across, but you can change that to display other planets. So here are the other planets. So you've got the moon, and I will go through each of them. And you've got Venus, you've got Jupiter, you got, which one is this? Mercury. Can't even, it looks
yes,
blue.
Because it's very sunny today.
Yeah, Mars. Then you've got Saturn, and then you can also set them to auto change every single day, so you get a different planet showing every day. But if we go and set one other one, let's just pick Jupiter for example. So now instead of obviously the coordinates, you're getting to see Jupiter's diameter. So that's like the diameter of Jupiter in kilometers, and also it's just still showing at the bottom sunset and moonset times, date. Then instead of a moon phase, you got a weather here. Sure, you can change that.
Yeah, you can change the moon phase.
So if I change that to, let's see actually, so I can, instead of having that widget, I can have any of these other things. So let's start from the top. Moon phase, weather, humidity, activity ring, alarm, compass, whatever. There's quite a few things you can have here. Yeah, so it's nice to see at least this, you know.
Let's change it to the heart rate.
Heart rate or SPO.
There, yeah.
So yeah,
there you go.
And then if I tap on it, it should take me to, actually, oh yeah, it does, yeah.
There you go. Sorry about the reflection. I think because it's so sunny here and we're in the Tesla, just glass everywhere, there's reflection everywhere.
So let's continue with the watch face tour. So we looked at Earth and we've just looked at Jupiter. Let's look at the next one. The Mars here. You have the weather widget, you have the date, and the sunset and moonrise times. Sunset and moonset times. But actually, the other thing is I can interact with Mars watch face. So not only as I scroll the crown, you can see here, look, the day and night sort of phases. That's really nice. And the Earth one also like that is very nice. But the other thing you can do is, look, you can see the whole planet, really. Quite nice little thing. Really nice, good quality image. We have the moon, so let's have a look at the moon. And there's the moon. Same thing. Very, very nice, beautiful. And you can also do the same interact with the moon like that. Quickly some of the other ones. So we have the Venus.
So guys, I'll do another video covering all the pre-installed watch faces on the watch, and also I'll be publishing the review soon, so do subscribe and keep that notification bell on. And that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video useful, please do give it a like and support us. Until next time, do take care. Bye bye.